Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, fischertechnik and robotics. If you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, this video is focused on my Arduino boards, Mega2560, Mega80K and Uno. Mega80K is for the Arduino stuff, but there's no Arduino development kit involved, so just another Mega board with a fischertechnik motor, a very small motor, which runs on 5 volts, pulse driven, but this time it's only the voltage that drives it. I do data acquisition with this, and previously I tried it using the R statistical language, but I've changed into Fortran. So programmed with C, then reading the data using Java, and then data acquisition using Fortran. And to show how that works or doesn't work out, considering last time, let's go to screencast and then see whatever happens. As said, webcast. Right now you will see the camera, obviously, then Arduino environment, the processing environment for reading the data, and newly installed Geany, in which I can run or edit Fortran 90 code. Last time this code gave me a huge headache because it didn't want to compile, and now it says compilation finished successfully. Once again, it finished successfully. What I did do though is replace all the print statements by write statements and introducing implicit none. Implicit none makes sure that everything is freely declarable, otherwise things become, all variables become standard 1, and I don't want that. Does it run? That's a different question. So let me run. If it doesn't do anything at all, as far as I can see, it doesn't do a thing, because I expect something to go from here. Okay, let me stop this. What I need to do is open terminal, shift this a bit, and then say okay, run Arduino data acquisition, which does exactly the same. So apart from this line, nothing happens. Okay, well, not okay, but it's not what I expect. So finishing compilation correctly does not mean getting what you want. Changing one line, being 1 asterisk here, replacing it by 1, and then I get something, but a runtime error, bad integer in the list input. So I need to look in here once again for the data file and see whatever is in it. Now it gets interesting, because in here pin 1 does not occur. What does occur is pin here, pin space 22 space bracket 1 bracket space, and then some arrow that I have made for my hyphen and to larger than, which gets malformed in here. So everything from here to here is a space, then from here to here is eliminated, So you get one hyphen and a. So this is not considered to be an integer. And that it says bad integer. I think that that is the problem. So how do I do that? Maybe running the whole file again. So let me do that. This is still running. Quit. Run. And let it run for some time. Okay, enough. Stop. Now, okay, so this is a character and an integer. How about just characters? Can I do that? So I need to have a character here. Would that work out? Or is that just one character and these are 2, 4, well these are 7, 8 characters in actually. So let me see if this works out anyway. Okay, run. A P, yeah, that's one character. Okay. So I need to make more characters out of it. And then see if that works out. Because that would solve anything else. Let's see. And now there is some kind of a thinking problem. I can easily say, okay, I make 8 characters out of it. But in some testing with Fortran, I have noticed that you have to give exactly, you have to state here exactly what to read, in which sequence. And this is obviously garbage. So how to avoid that? Here there's no space. Here there's no space. So I have to specify in here as well a space. Space and space. I have to redo the programming. Read again, then read again, and here read again. See whatever that gives. Although the results from reading from the board are nice, or nice enough anyway, the data file is absolute garbage. It contains nothing. So let me do it again. That's enough. Nothing again. Not that, no good. I have to repeat until I have sufficient data. Okay, so now I have a reasonable data log. However, the first line is absolute garbage. The second isn't, and the third isn't either. Well, the printed ones. So what I'm going to do is remove this line, the second line, and then see whatever happens. So delete VI, okay, delete, save. Then I have not character, because this will go away now, and I need here actually pin and I need a number, integer, and this should give the result of pin 22. And in order to achieve that, I will do it like this: save, build, compilation failed. Pin and I is an integer. What's wrong with this? In right statement. Pin is correct, right is correct. I forgot something as simple as a comma. Now it finished successfully. So let's run. And that is exactly what I expected to see. Pin 22. Now the challenge is to get this in front of it, or to read this in. Will this be just characters? Let's see. And this actually does work out. So I can take everything in one bit, make it 6 characters long. So let's make this 6. See, 6 and 6. Build. Run. And then it should give something like this. But it doesn't. So apparently this is the 3 ignores space and then 2. Let me try that. So now I have this whole line to read in, where I discovered that if there are multiple integers on one line and I refer just to one integer, it takes the same. It takes the last integer for all of them. So I have to distinguish between one integer and the other. Then finding time has no space here, which was a problem right here. No space here, so I have to recompile, reread, and then have it properly. Okay, done uploading after changing the code a bit. Then 10 seconds for the newly reading data, editing and removing the first and second line again because those were garbage. I edit for everything, I hope. So now the whole line should be read correctly. Let's run. And this is exactly what happens. So everything you read here, you now read here. And that is exactly how Fortran reads a data file, which is much easier to me than in R, which I tried before. So this is actually data acquisition, and you can do whatever you want now. Can I read a second line? That's a very good question. Not entirely sure yet. But given that this line is garbage and these lines are not garbage, I have my doubts. But I can try, and I can do something another time. What shall I do? So, yes, you guessed right. I will do it the next time. For now, thanks for watching with these positive results. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Click the bell for notifications. And and please support. You can support by becoming a patron for as little as €2 or $2 a month. You can also donate directly via PayPal and via Ko-fi. More information under this video and in the next segment. Please see my Patreon page for much more info. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. This is obviously going to be continued. Take a look at my website as well. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.